Managing your business finances can feel confusing, especially if you are just starting. You want tools that help you to do the invoicing, track expenses, manage GST or VAT, run reports, and see how your business money is doing. But manual bookkeeping is slow and full of the errors. And that's why accounting software like Xero and QuickBooks are very popular. This tool help you to automate the financial tasks, track your business numbers, and understand what's happening in your business. In this video, I will compare Xero and QuickBooks in a simple way so you can decide which one is the better option for your needs. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the best tools without any confusion. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link in the description whenever I talk about the tools, because by using the description link any special offer or benefit they will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First of all, let's talk about the Xero. Xero is a cloud-based accounting platform that is known for being easy to use and beginner friendly. When you open the Xero, you see a clean dashboard that shows you your bank account balance, invoices, billing to pay, and cash flow overview. You can link your bank account so all of your transaction just comes in automatically. Xero then helps you to categorize them according to transactions, track your business expenses, and reconcile your accounts without doing everything manually. One of the things many users like about Xero is the simple layout and clarity. It doesn't feel too complicated even if you have never used accounting software before. You can create and send invoices directly from the dashboard. You can set up the repeating invoices for regular customers and even schedule the automated reminders when someone has not paid yet. When a customer pays, the bank reconciliation matches the payment to the invoices and your records stay updated. Xero also has the strong multi-currency support, which means if you work with customers or supplier from different countries, Xero can handle that easily. It also integrates with many other business tools such as the payment gateway, payroll tool, e-commerce platform, and inventory add-ons. This means your business system can work together smoothly without extra manual steps. Now let's talk about the QuickBooks. QuickBooks, especially QuickBooks Online, is one of the most widely used accounting software solutions in the world. Its dashboard also shows your bank balance, your invoices, expenses, and reports. QuickBooks makes it easy to record sales, track the cost, and see the profit or loss. Like Xero, QuickBooks can connect your bank account so transactions flow into the software automatically. QuickBooks has too many features that small business owners find useful. For example, QuickBooks allows you to manage the GST, VAT, or tax reporting for different countries, which helps you prepare your tax reports faster. You can create invoices in different formats. You can send them by email and accept the payments with built-in payment options. QuickBooks also lets you track the mileage, manage receipts, and capture the expense photos using a mobile app, which is helpful if you are often on the go. One of the main strengths of QuickBooks is reporting tools. QuickBooks provides many ready-made reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and sales by customer. These reports help you to see the financial health of your business in a clear numbers. QuickBooks also offers budgeting tools and forecasting, which can help you to plan the business growth. So how do Xero and QuickBooks compare? Both tools do the core task in very well: bank reconciliation, invoicing, expense tracking, and reporting. But there are some differences you should consider. In terms of use, many beginners find the Xero's layout simpler and cleaner. For people who want to straightforward accounting experience without too many menu, Xero can feel easier to start with. QuickBooks also has an easy dashboard, but some features may require more clicks or exploration before you understand where everything is. Now, when it comes to feature and depth, QuickBook has the slightly more advanced reporting options and built-in tax reporting that help you to prepare the returns faster. QuickBooks also has a stronger mobile app with receipt capture and mileage tracking, features that many business owners find very useful. Another difference is pricing and plans. Both Xero and QuickBook they offer several pricing tiers depending on how many users you need, how many invoices you send, and whether you want payroll or advanced features. In general, Xero tends to have a simpler pricing structure and all features mostly available in the main plan, while QuickBooks may require add-ons or higher plans to access advanced reporting and tax features. If we look at the integration, both tools connect with the many of the business apps like payment processor, CRM software, e-commerce platform, and project management tools. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this comparison helped you to understand the differences between Xero and QuickBooks so you can choose the right accounting tool for your business. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel for more beginner friendly tutorials and tool comparisons. And don't forget to use the link from description to get the special offer or any free trial that will be applied automatically, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.